Love Larn is generously supported by SB Fabrication and Parts.
Hey guys, it's Michael here from Love Larn. Thanks as always for joining me. In today's program, just wanted to wish you all a very happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever it is that you celebrate. And thank you for joining me over the last year. It's been a great year for the channel. Gained a lot of subscribers, done a lot of cool things, including finishing off the Rebuild series and starting down the path of the Groomer series. So lots of cool, fun projects there. And just wanted to say thanks to everyone for being a part of that with me. It's been great. I've had some great feedback over the last 6 or so months, and it's great to see everyone really jumping in, getting involved, watching the stuff that I put out there for you guys. It's really fun to be doing this with you guys and growing the channel, knowing that people appreciate the stuff that I'm putting out there. So that's not to say there's not a lot of cool stuff coming up in the next year, 2021. Let's hope it's a better year for everyone. Obviously got some merch stuff happening with the guys from Design at Dusk. Got some interviews coming up, which I think you're going to really enjoy, and a whole bunch of other videos to follow as well. There's a lengthy program schedule that I've got for everything that we're doing here on the channel. And just because we finished the Rebuild series doesn't mean that there's not more to come around Scott Bonnars and lawn care. Speaking of which, this lawn is pretty shaggy and it's overdue for a mow, so I'm going to close out the year with a very simple mow video. Anyway, thanks again guys for joining me throughout 2020. It's been great having you. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Hit like if you enjoyed today's video, of course. And don't forget, you can leave any comments or questions in the comments section down below the video. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon as well. If you want to support the channel, I'll be sending out a link shortly for t-shirts if you want to buy t-shirts. And of course, donations are always welcome through the PayPal link. Or you can join us on Patreon, of course, and get free stuff. Anyway guys, thanks again for joining us. We'll see you in 2021. Let's mow. Let's get on it. Getting pretty shaggy. But it's almost dry, not quite. Come around here. Good old U shape, of course. Don't mind this bit. And then the rest of it. That's what I gotta contend with. Got a mix of Empire Zoysia and Rye in here. So anyway, let's mow it. Alright, that's the rotary done. I just like to do that first because I get a lot of debris off the, if you can see it, off the melaleuca here. Little gum nuts, bark, all sorts of stuff that I just like to try and pick up before I go over it all with the Scotty and give it a fine cut, a lower cut. Also with the blades of the rye being a little bit on the long side today. Just like to take the tops off it so that the reel can get a better chomp on it when it goes over it. And I don't know, force of habit, I guess, if nothing else. I don't have a brush or the groomer yet, obviously, so we use what we've got. That's it's amazing what the old Rotary picks up in terms of rubbish and stuff. So, you know, the kids out here, forks on the ground and all that sort of stuff. I just like to do that preliminary pass before we hit things up with the Scotty and you know, our more precious blade and everything else. Anyway, let's get on to the Scott Bonnar and do a cylinder mow. It's looking better, a bit better already though. Let's see if we can get some stripes on it. Getting warm out here. That's the south side done. Let's get on to the north side. Carry on. This is what we've got so far then. Still got a bit of back to do. And then this bit through here, a little disaster of course, a bit dry. Oops, sorry, the camera angle. And then the south side over here, of course. Don't know if you can see those stripes, they're sort of hard to see when the sun's right up like that. Is that any better? Maybe. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but anyway. It is what it is, work in progress. Color's a bit off at the moment because of the, yeah, it's just been a bit neglected over winter because I've been busy editing videos. So, yeah. And back to the mower, we'll finish up on the southern side, just down the edge here to the front of the house. job done. Thanks everybody for watching to the very end. You're awesome. Also, just forgot to say earlier, a huge thank you to all of our sponsors for the channel. George from Scott Bonnars Fabrication and Parts in particular has been a sponsor for quite a while now. And George, just wanted to say a big thank you to you. It's been awesome having you on board from pretty much the very beginning, so thank you to you, George. Also, Shane Kosteszyn over here in WA, Cameron from CETE Parts, and of course Jason Cushway from OldTime Parts. Those last few guys have all helped out with the community groomer builds, so thanks again to all of you guys for your help. And anyway, again guys, thanks for watching. Happy New Year's, Happy Christmas, etc. to you. Catch you later. See you in 2021. Yeah, I know I need to whip a snip, but I'll do that later.